Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Happy to be coming back out to Corpus Christi. We're going to be doing a session on April 14th, 2026 from 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. This is going to get you 5 hours of CE credit throughout the day. And what we're going to start with is going to be a 3-hour class, Generate More Leads for Free. The record for this class is 63 listings in 1 hour for one agent. Nobody believes it until they attend the class, and then they're like, holy moly, I can do this for my business. This is going to be a hands-on workshop, so you want to bring your laptop, you want to bring your tablet. We're going to take our lunch break, we'll come back, we're going to do AI optimization for real estate agents, and then smarter business with AI. So we're going to end the day with 2 powerful sessions on how to use AI to improve your business. This is, of course, open to all Keller Williams Coastal Bend real estate agents, but also all guests and Zoomers. You do not want to miss this session on April 14th. We'll see you then. Thanks.